MeghalayaPost.news.
Khadar ngut nongthoh khubor na Meghalaya kilayo bani shimanta ha All India Press Conference arhajar arpun riu palapan long da Election Commission of India ECI ha India International Institute of Democracy and Election Management IIDEM New Delhi kum shimanta ban pensngutho ikilat pathai khubor halo ka Special Intensive Revision SIR bat kap thmai ECINET ha ka tegi jingyalang kabla long ha khatnyo tarik unaitung palat saus pa ngut nongthoh khubor na kalengki jala jongkari India kilawan bani shimanta lapya ka program ha kiar banta ha ka banta bani kong jong kasing kasema khana ka officer jong ka Election Commission of India kala ajung batai bania halor ke ECINET ka app thmai balapan mi da ka ECI ban pensuk ye kipaj ba ha ka bai dei bat ki kam election kala batai baleng ba ka ni ka app kipaj ba kin la ban yo jing tip sapang ka jing penrung kerteng ha ka electoral roll ka jing pen thmai ki jing tem ka jaka thep vote ka jing trikam jong ki officer ka tanat election bat bon ki pat ki jing shakri hadian ka ni ki officer ka Election Commission kila ajung hikai bat ki jing batai leng ba ki presentation halor ka company ya ka election nadu ka porwas dang ka jing thep vote hadu ka jing yau ya ki vote ban pensngutho khambania ya ki nongthoh khubor halor ka rukom trikam jong ka Election Commission ha ka ni ka sngi la plong ru ya ka jing ikran halor ki an ki kendon ba pher ki ba ya dei bat ki Election Commission Hagani ka banta kinong thok khubor na kalengkari kilay shimanta shirham haka jingya time but jingya kali jingkali but ki officer ka ECI haka banta ba arjong ka program haka porno paisngi Chief Election Commissioner ka India Ugyanesh Kumar ula ajing kuran halo ka jingdon kam jong ka Special Intensive Revision SIR ula ong baka jing temu jong ka SIR kalong ban penti kana baka electoral rule kalong ka basyay bat kabati kana da ka ba penrungi kinong tap vote ki badai hong penbait ki kerteng ki ba bakla bat wengi ki kerteng ki ba omdai shu bandon ula banjur ru baka ni ka sin jam kan yara banyada ya hok tap vote jong kinong snong par ban khanglat ye kinu jing thumu ban penon kam bakla ya ka electoral roll haka bakut jong ka jingalang kala don ru ka jingi play jing mot bat ka jingi kran bat kinong thok khubor haka bakila yolat ban bu jing kali bat ban pen pa ye ka jing e bat jing yu i jong ki na ki jila ba pher haka bai dei bat ka jing pen tri kam ye ka Special Intensive Revision.
Today the IT is in public scrutiny. Anything I do, you are for want of a better word, our watchdogs. मैं कलर भी बदल दूं आपको पता चलेगा, right? आपको दिख रहा है, you know that आज ये पिंक था यार, ये ब्लू कैसे हो गया? And it becomes a narrative, right? It's everything is in public scrutiny. So IT, apart from a UI UX which I spoke about, it cannot ever play around with any data. Why? Because IT today, you've heard of people querying questions, election petitions. कितना कुछ आप लोगों को हक है, आप लोग मतलब जनता को in general, आप तो जनता के नाम पे, you have all the right to ask us anything. So everything has got an audit trail. I'll be coming to that when I proceed with the slides also, which will be a quick rush because of what I want to speak to you. I want to do it from the heart. So when we talk about, it's an audit trail. It is an audit trail. I don't know how many of you are IT savvy to understand what an audit trail means. But audit का मतलब तो आप सब समझते हैं. Any act that you perform is subject to scrutiny. Anybody can. There are enough people in the universe to do that. So, if I have logged in, if I have changed the data, ECINET का unique proposition है, it is developed in accordance with law. All the RP Acts, all DDG's law here, wisdom है इनका बहुत. Anything that is given as a direction or which is part of the RP Acts 1950, 1951, the rules 1960, it's ECINET is according to that. End of story.
The media about the various facets of the elections, and it is not only by what we share by way of presentations and printed literature, but also actively demonstrating the processes, and that is one of the key themes of this conference. The processes behind electronic voting machine, polling processes, counting processes, and how electoral roll is prepared. You would learn how political parties and the candidates are concurrent auditor of all the key processes and how electoral processes are foolproof against any potential manipulation. Media can help the Election Commission of India in several ways. The first is the accurate, timely and accessible information about the electoral systems and processes to the stakeholders.
MeghalayaPost.news.